Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Look at this, Freelander 2.2 SD4. Now this is an SE Tech, finished in metallic grey. Automatic, cam belt replaced at 86,000 miles, currently done 93,000 miles, serviced at 10, 20 something, 50, 60, 75 and 86, and had the cam belt replaced at 86. Beautiful metallic grey, looks like 19-inch wheels, got the body side mouldings, price 9995. Got the better roof rails and roof bars, front fogs, headlamp washers, LED headlamps, black leather, sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, tow bar, privacy glass, mud flaps, load covers in there, full size spare wheel. 9995 on a 2014 64. Lot of value this. Beautiful example. Wheels, bodywork, lovely, super clean inside. Got the Land Rover fitted rubber mats, which helps. Meridian Hi-Fi, rubber mats on the floor, black leather, automatic, multi-function steering wheel, sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, heated seats, got the terrain control down there. Great service history, had the cam belt done, 2 keys. Mats are in the back as well, looks like it's never been sat in. Really lovely. Rear park sensors, tow bar, looks like it's a removable one. I think I've seen the bag where the spare wheel is, and in that bag, I'll open that in a minute, it's not shut properly so it won't open. In the bag I think there's the key to remove the tow bar. Again, another mint alloy wheel, lovely tyres, another wheel, no curbing, no corrosion, lovely bodywork. No marks on the door cards. Voice control, Bluetooth, cruise control, 93,510 miles. Satellite navigation, DAB radio, as I say, Bluetooth, heated seats, automatic diesel. Lovely thing. Nowhere on the seat, got the rubber mats in. Just check that it says 2 keys. Yeah, 2 keys. Just show the satellite navigation. Bluetooth for your phone, Stephanie's phone's on there. DAB radio. Okay, the cruise control. Right, let's just unlatch the boot properly and show you in the boot and the spare wheel. If I just press open boot, it's just caught on half the latch. There you go. Here's the boot. Load cover, super clean in there. No dog hairs or anything, lovely and clean. Under here, yeah, spare wheel, full size, tow sure bags in there with the key for the tow bar. So all in all, £9,995, automatic diesel 2.2 SD4, 93,000 miles, but beautiful car, lovely spec, lovely history, had the cam belt done. Lot of car for £995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Freelanders in stock, or visit Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Instagram. Now this video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there and you subscribe, we've got nearly 2,000 car videos on there. If you subscribe to Barclay Motor Company 5243 on YouTube, you'll be the first person that gets a little notification to your phone or laptop or iPad. Every time we upload a fresh car, you will be the first person to know we've got it. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.